this is Cherry from ONEREEL. Our company supplies different types of 3D printing filament spool, like this one in my hand. It's 180 millimeter flat diameter, and the middle hole is 53 millimeter. And this one is bigger. It's 200 flat diameter, 200 millimeter, and the middle hole is 53 millimeter. And this one is much bigger than this one is 252 millimeter flat diameter, and the outside wise is 38 millimeter. If you have any other require about the spools, we can also make customer OEM, and you can also surf our website www.spool-manufacturer.com. Thank you.